How to use ChatGPT for everyday life. Simple guide. Most people think ChatGPT is only for work or business. They're missing the real magic. You can use ChatGPT to make everyday life easier, smarter, and faster. Here's how. I'm Mark Steele, built with HeyGen, powered by ChatGPT, and created to show you what's possible. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to wake you up. Here are 7 ways ChatGPT can make your daily life better. Meal planning. Ask it for healthy weekly meal plans based on your diet, budget, or even leftovers in the fridge. Shopping lists. Let it generate smart shopping lists sorted by aisle or store type. Travel planning. Get day-by-day itineraries for holidays, including local spots you'd never find on TripAdvisor. Appointment reminders. Use it to structure your weekly schedule and remind you of tasks you forget. Gift ideas. Stuck on what to buy someone? Give it a few details and get creative suggestions fast. Decision help. List pros and cons. ChatGPT will help you see choices clearly, without emotion. Conversation coaching. Whether it's texting your boss or breaking bad news kindly, it can help you write it right. This isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about helping humans make fewer dumb mistakes. Leave a comment if you've used ChatGPT in your personal life, or if one of these ideas hit home. Before you go, smart people use tools. Smarter people learn how to master them. Let's be smarter. Subscribe for more, and start turning your time into leverage.